Welcome back, viewers. Today we're going to be working on a Hyundai Elantra 2014 with the engine 1.8. We're going to be changing the lower control arm. So follow me along the video and I'm going to show you how you can do it at home. Very simple steps to do. I'm going to start removing the caliper so we can have some space to work around. I would strongly recommend to hang the caliper to avoid damaging the hose. Right now I'm using my 17mm wrench to disconnect the ball joint from the knuckle. You can find different types of tools to separate ball joints from knuckles, but on this particular case I'm gonna be using my suspension fork that it works just fine. Next step, I'm going to start removing the front bolt, and for that you can use a wrench or ratchet as you wish. But I would strongly recommend to remove all the plastic covers so you will have more place to work around. Next, I'm gonna be using my 19mm box, and I'm going to get my 19mm wrench as well to hold the nut at the other end of the bolt. As you can see, I'm helping myself with my suspension fork, so you can use any type of tool as long as you can pry out. As you can see, it's very simple. I'll recommend you to clean all the contact points to make an easier installation. I like to start putting the ball with the nut, because sometimes it can get difficult, especially if you're working by yourself. As you can see, I'm wiggling the arm up and down, at the same time I'm pushing in. So right now, as you can see, I'm taking out the plastic covers as I told you at the beginning. Once the bolt is centered, give it a couple of taps with a hammer until you feel that the bolt touches the other end. Never use an impact to start this bolt, because if for any reason the bolt is not completely straight, you could damage the threads on the other side. If you're still watching until this point of the video, I just want to say thank you very much for watching, and I hope this tutorial was very helpful to you. Please like and share, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to my channel. So I will see you in the next video. Ciao.